we're going on a day trip to Ourika Valley today. It's about an hour drive out of the city. We have a taxi driver coming to come pick us up. And we're going to explore the city. We're going to go to the Berber mountain.
Berber Village?
Berber Village. And yeah, so see you guys when we get there.
What do you do when your driver shows up with his brother in the passenger seat? You send your family back home a message of where you're going, the taxi driver's name, and license plate number. And then you look like this. This is the face of a worried mom and dad.
We're gonna make a couple of stops on the way. And where are we stopping, Jax?
We're going to Ourika Valley, and then we're gonna go to a Berber village.
What exactly is a Berber again?
Berber is they are the oldest group of people in Northern Africa. So they are, they're not considered Arabs, they're considered indigenous people of Morocco. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah. So they live very differently than a lot of people who live in the city, and they keep a lot of their traditional ways. So it'll be really interesting to go and visit Berber Village. Thankfully, the driver and his brother were super nice, and they were the perfect tour guide. Sheep? Oh, to buy sheep. So we're just following our driver. He's taking us through the Berber market. Oh, the barber?
You take photo like he make only for photo, no?
No.
And then this happened.
No, don't put nothing on, just pretend.
Photo side.
Okay.
Little hair.
Oh, dentist!
This one.
None.
Oh! So our tour guide was telling us the community rents out those little areas for 5 dirham to each person.
Activities grouped.
Okay.
Same activities in same.
They group
Yes.
the activities, okay. Look at all the fruits and vegetables, beautiful. The busyness of the market. This is rock salt, wow. Look at that. Look at all the donkeys. The major market happens once a week, so every Friday, everybody from the village comes and sells in the market, and then everybody gets what they need for the week. Our driver's buying himself some eggs.
Bio.
Bio?
Yeah.
What's that?
Eggs.
Eggs. Oh, okay.
It's local one.
Local eggs.
We just made another stop and we're here on top of this terrace just taking a look out at the Atlas Mountains. It's very hot right now, but I prefer this over the snow.
For sure.
The weather is superb.
Yeah.
It's getting very hot. The other days were kind of cold, but today is when you really feel the heat. The sun is just beaming down.
You okay? Do you know the tree here?
Olive.
Exactly.
This tree, I don't know. Pomegranate. Okay.
Let's take a look at this shop. Look at all the beautiful bracelets. Really, really nice. Of course, they have all the tagines. I would love to bring one home, but I'm not sure I can fit one in my luggage. So Malachi, what did we just buy from this gentleman?
But this beautiful little necklace right here. Mm-hmm. Lots of different emeralds, as I'll call it, around.
They're stones, but
Got this nice flower bracelet, yes.
and that's this is Fatima. he was
Fatima,
saying.
yeah.
Yes.
All this is Fatima. Same.
The hands, it's
Fatima's
good luck.
hand is good luck. This for eyes, inshallah.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Fatima's hand is good luck.
Yeah.
And then
And we got 2 little nice bracelets.
what is it?
This gold. This is black yor.
Black Yor. Okay. So he gave us a deal, 600 dirham, which is about
all
84 Canadian. Okay, we're good. Thank you. Our next stop was visiting the Berber women who have made a successful business from harvesting argan nuts to make argan oil. The argan tree grows only in Morocco and Algeria, and has been used in this region for centuries for cooking, skincare, as well as hair moisturizer. Morocco produces about 4,000 tons of the oil each year, much of which is sold abroad to many beauty companies. Keenan's gonna make some argan oil. Good for you, Keenan. What do you say? So this is the argan oil.
So you guys just had a bit of the almond butter
Almond butter, argan oil,
Yes, and honey.
and honey. So what do you think, Malika? How did it taste? Good? Kena?
Really good.
Keenan?
It's amazing.
Good.
With lemon, it's for body if you have dry skin, and for the nails.
Most of the time I have dry skin.
You have dry skin.
Most of the time because I don't want it.
Clean yourself?
Yeah.
They have a lot of very nice oils for your skin, your hair. So we're gonna buy some argan oil and we're gonna keep it moving.
What did we just learn?
We just learned how to
Make argan oil.
Yeah.
Crack an argan thing.
How to make argan oil?
yeah.
Was that cool or what?
It was cool.
Very cool. Okay.
How to make
flour.
Okay.
Can see? So this is a Berber kitchen.
There is wood for fire. That water comes from the river. Just for washing the dishes, the kitchen.
Now she's making bread. And this is their backyard. Nice backyard, Kana?
Very nice view.
Look at the view from their backyard. Beautiful. You enjoying yourself? Okay. The dog is actually guarding the house from the rooftop.
Good. That's good. That's nice.
He just scared off another dog. So we're at our last stop. We're walking to the waterfalls. Beautiful stream here, and then lots of restaurants along the stream. Lots and lots of tourists, lots of restaurants. So they've really made their infrastructure for tourism, which is fantastic. It's a nice, peaceful area. You know, anywhere where you have like a running stream is very peaceful. People are very friendly. Our taxi driver just handed us off to a local who is going to take us up to the waterfalls. Now that's a roadside restaurant, lakeside restaurant. Okay, this is a little scary. Okay, it's a bit of a hike. You guys good?
We've been climbing for about a half an hour. If you could see behind us, the snow-capped mountains. We'll be up there in the next 4 hours.
No, we won't. Our guide was telling us to check out the Berber fridge. I guess when you live near a waterfall, this can be your fridge. I'm a little tired, and we just have to make sure that Keenan doesn't get too tired. But he's a trooper. You're not tired, eh? He heard me. I'm not tired. We just happened to get a taxi driver yesterday to go to a museum, and then he gave us our card telling us about Ourika Valley. So it was lucky on our part to have gotten him. All right, I'm crossing a little stream here. Thank you. What we're gonna pay is about $21 Canadian per person. And online, I saw about $38 per person. And it's only an hour away from Marrakesh. So Good deal, a good way to spend the day as well.
We're heading to the major waterfall. It's a nice trek and we're feeling good. So see you in the top.
This is a rough climb. I had no idea.
So we just made it off the mountain.
And how was it?
Good, but it was dangerous.
Scary?
No.
No?
Dangerous.
Dangerous, okay.
Feel it. Yeah. And now, whoever climbs up here is the king of the world. Yeah.
And this is the view that we climb to see.
We just finished our extremely long hike up what felt like Mount Everest. I know, Kana, don't laugh. That's how I feel. The scene at the very top, the waterfall, it was definitely worth it. Look at my shoe. Almost no traction at the bottom. Some areas I was slipping. And our guide, he kept on holding Keenan. I was like, I would hold Keenan. And we're almost fighting to hold Keenan.
They tried to put Keenan on his back.
We tried to put Keenan on his back. Only I put the team on my back. You feel me? So in any case, thank you.
Actually, I feel you because I'm touching you.
All right, waiting for our ride and call it a day. Peace.
This is Keenan recording. And we're going in something a little dark. And inside here in the lid is some holes and a little seat. It's kind of small when you go in and plus out.
Good to go, come on.
Stop it.
Look at the orange. I don't want the orange.
I thought you were looking to me to make an outro.